Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a full backup and verifying it. This is non-negotiable. Once done, make sure your machine is plugged in or on a UPS to prevent power loss during encryption. Next, pick the tool, the OS native tool if you want seamless integration, or Encrypt for cross-platform needs and extra control. You will also check available disk space and note whether you need full disk or container encryption. This choice affects speed and recovery options. You now configure the encryption details. Choose AES 256 for a solid balance of speed and security, and reserve cascaded ciphers for specific threat models. Then create a strong passphrase. 12 or more characters, include uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, and commit the recovery key to a secure location like a hardware token or separate encrypted drive. Once satisfied, start the encryption process and monitor progress. Encryption can take minutes to hours depending on drive size and speed, so be patient. You complete the process by rebooting and confirming the pre-boot authentication works as expected. If the system fails to boot, do not panic. Next, verify integrity by opening several files and decrypting a small test file to ensure readability and no corruption. Once confirmed, store the recovery key offline, a hardware token or sealed paper in a safe, and document passphrase rules so you can recover later. If things go wrong, use the recovery key to unlock, then restore the verified backup if necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.